The miswak is brush-like or twig from a kikar tree, and some people use peepal miswak from peepal tree, and some prefer kikar miswak, and it clean the teeth very quickly and prevent pyorrhea and diseases in mouth, gum and mouth as well. It reduces phlegm and excessive saliva to maintain good oral health. Many centuries ago, people had used miswak as a brush and had cleaned their teeth with miswak. Miswak is widely used by Pakistan, India, Arab countries and Turkey as well. Miswak is the most favorite teeth cleanser among them. Researchers had found that it kills oral bacteria and germs and prevent many gum diseases. It helps to remove bad breath. It removes plaques as well and prevent cavity as well. It helps to strengthen the teeth. It is a mouth freshener. Teeth can be cleaned 2 times after meal gently with miswak. It kills microorganisms in the mouth. Miswak has a special beauty, and it will not decrease saliva and not increase saliva, but it helps to decrease phlegm and excessive saliva. Teeth start to glow after brushing with miswak. It also improves your memory, eyesight and heals headache. Your food can be digested very easily by daily consumption of miswak. It helps to clear your throat. People who use it daily have gotten excellent results. Miswak should be soaked in fresh water or rose water to smoothen it. After that, you can easily brush your teeth with miswak. On other side, you can also apply toothpaste with brush, and you can also use miswak. Toothpaste has its own benefits, and miswak as a natural herb, and it plays its own role. It is your choice whether you use toothpaste or miswak, but people can use toothpaste and also miswak daily. Miswak can be purchased on Amazon and Etsy stores online easily. It is also available in Arab, Turkish, or Pakistani or Indian store. That is your choice to purchase online or brick and mortar store near of you.